How to make lemonade with Fifi.
Today we are going to make sparkling lemonade. Step 1, take out the ingredients. Here we have our lemons, our sugar, and our sparkling water. And we have our lemon press, our teaspoon, and our knife. Step 2, wash our lemons. And we already washed our lemons with the scrub brush. You should always have an adult cut your lemons. Step 3, juice the lemons. You may need a strong daddy to squeeze the juice out. Step 4, mix the sugar in with the lemon juice. Now you have to stir it until the sugar is dissolved. And it takes a little elbow grease. The sweet and sour should be balanced, so taste it. Now it's time to mix our sparkling lemonade. I recommend a highball glass with ice cubes. Now it's time to mix. Oh. Now it's time to add our sparkling water. Now give it a gentle stir. The sugar-covered lemon as a garnish. Thanks for joining Cooking with Fifi. See you next time. Don't forget to smash that like button.